I'm going to explain about analog communication systems and how to transmit a signal for analog communication and what are the applications I'll explain. So generally, if you want to transmit any signal, so for example, you said hello. I want to transmit this signal into, that is from here to 1 kilometer distance, 1 kilometer. So we can't able to transmit from here to 1 kilometer because it requires more signal strength, more frequency. So that's why they are going for modulations. So anyhow, I will explain here. Here you can say this. What is analog communication? If you are transmitted, that is analog signal. So then it is called as analog communication systems. Analog communication. So as I said, as I said, so hello is the signal I need to transmit, but after by using transducer, so they are converting this physical signal into in the form of, that is EM wave, electromagnetic wave. So this is an electromagnetic EM wave, the form of electrons. So this is an message, you said hello, that is named as, that is M of t. So we can say this. This is an analog signal because this is defining, that is for each and every value. Here at first second, what is the voltage? Second, what is the voltage? Third second, what is the voltage? Fourth second, nanoseconds even, fifth nanoseconds, like this. Infinite number of times the signal is defining. So that's why it is an analog signal. Analog signal. So if you are transmitted this analog signal directly through wire or wireless, then it is called as, that is analog communication systems. Of course, we can transmit through wire or else wireless also we can transmit this signal. Wireless also we can transmit. So, but if you are transmitted this analog signal, so directly, then it is an analog communication systems. But before that, they are going for, that is modulation, because as I said, it is an audio signal hello. So means the audio signal is having, that is maximum 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz only, 20 kilohertz. So that is the reason. So we need to go for modulation. At the modulation, this message signal, original signal hello signal is, this original signal hello is modulated with, to increase the signal strength. They are going for modulation, of course. So by using one more carrier, so this carrier is having high frequency signal, just assume that. So here, so both are modulating. After modulation, they are going to transmit. If it is frequency modulation, they are going for FM modulation. So if it is AM modulation, amplitude modulation, they are going for amplitude modulation. But of course, finally the modulations are used to transmit for long distance communication. So that is the reason. So after modulation, they are going to transmit. Even after modulation, you can see this. This is an FM signal, of course, frequency modulated, but it is an analog signal. It is an analog signal. So if you are transmitted analog signal, so then it is named as analog communications. So coming to the applications, everywhere the analog communication is required. So in mobile communications, it requires analog communications. In satellite communication, it requires everywhere. In mobile communications, satellites, point-to-point communications, military applications, everywhere the analog signals are transmitting. So that is the importance for the analog communication systems. Finally, analog communication means if you are transmitted analog signal directly, then it is called as analog communication system. So the same block diagram, you can see this. So here, as I said, it is an hello. hello. So this signal is converted into physical, that is EM wave, electromagnetic wave, that is M of T. So physical signal to analog using transistor. So then modulator is required to convert low frequency to high frequency. Then channel. So then again at the receiver side, they need to modulation. After modulation, so the compulsory it requires, that is demodulation. So again we need to convert, that is EM, that is electromagnetic wave, to that is our original signal, that is hello. So this is about analog modulations, analog communications. Thank you.